everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lorraine and my channel is Lo's Life and Lessons. And I am so excited to be with you here today. I'm glad you've decided to join me because we're going to do some unboxing. I don't do very many of these because frankly, I don't buy very much. And if I do, it's kind of in bits and bats. It's nothing very exciting. And I often don't even have the patience to wait to unbox everything to show you. Plus, I don't think that you'd be that interested. But these items I really want to share with you because these are some luxury items that I have purchased from Bay Harbor Beauty. Bay Harbor Beauty is a luxury bath and body care website which sells beautiful natural products with all natural ingredients. I learned about this company from Tammy's Ageless Beauty, from her YouTube channel. Tammy has a very popular YouTube channel. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you to access, and I do enjoy her videos. Tammy has talked a lot about these products from Bay Harbor Beauty, and I did order some products about maybe 6 months ago, and oh, they are beautiful. I'm not usually one to spend a whole lot of money on skincare products or body care products, but these are really exquisite. So I did make another order, a Memorial Day sale. Now Tammy also has a discount code, and I'm leaving that in the description box for you to access as well. If you use her discount code, you'll get 10% off your order. So let's get started. Here is the box. It came today. Bay Harbor Beauty. Now, I live in Canada and this company is in Texas. So, of course, I knew that the shipping would take some time, but apparently the ingredients for, or some of the ingredients from one of the products that I ordered had run out. And the owner of the company, Julie, was kind enough to send me an email telling me that, saying, I'm waiting for these ingredients to come in, so your order is going to be delayed. And I thought that was a very classy thing to do, to let me know that the order would be delayed. And indeed, it took about 3 weeks to get it. So I'm very anxious. So I've got, it's pretty heavy, and I've got some scissors here that I'm going to, I already tore off the shipping labels. So let's open up this box. And I ordered, I can't even hardly remember what I ordered. Anyway, oh boy, look at this. Look how beautiful the packaging is. Like that. And there's a little note here, a little invoice with a sticker saying thank you, which is, again, very classy. I like that. So I'm going to take some of this packing out. And oh my, this first item is a jojoba bead honey foaming scrub. And I had a smaller size of that one before. And it's something that I use on my face. I don't usually use a scrub on my face, but this one I remember is so very gentle, and it has a beautiful creamy texture, and many of her products come in scented options. So she has her own version of designer fragrances and her own fragrances. This one is called Sweet Passion. So it's all packed up here, so I'm not going to open it. Well, maybe I will. Well, maybe I will. Why not? And, oh, I can't wait to smell it. Look at this beautiful jar. And it has the protection on the top. Beautiful, thick scrub. Oh, it just smells divine. Look at that. It's just thick, thick and creamy. When I'm cleansing my skin tonight, and it just has the smallest little scrubbing beads in this beautiful, thick, emollient cream. Smells absolutely wonderful. And like I say, this is a real luxury for me. Next is, look how that's packaged. I mean, how classy is that? They just put a little nice piece of pink tissue paper. I love it. This is the white tea body wash, and it's the white tea ingredient that was delayed. That's why my order was delayed. And look at this gorgeous packaging. Oh, Now that is gorgeous. So that is a body wash. And you can see that I'm going to put that on. Oh, look at that. Look at that creamy white tea. It smells divine. Look at that packaging. It's absolutely gorgeous. Nice and solid. And this contains 7.5 ounces. So I look forward to using that in my next shower. Now I ordered 2 of those. And again, this one is wrapped in that lovely pink tissue, just because she can. And this also is white tea. I kind of wish now that I had ordered another scent. I ordered both of them in white tea. I don't know why, but I do like it. I'm going to enjoy it. It's pH balanced for sensitive skin, restores moisture balance. White tea protects against environmental damage. There you go. So there's my backup. And the last product I ordered was, oh yes, the glowing body oil. Now this is a real luxury for me. I'm going to remove this tape. See how they have that taped just to prevent any kind of leakage. I really appreciate that, because it's coming from Texas to Canada. That's a long way. Beautifully packaged. Look at that gorgeous bottle. Oh, beautiful. And this is scented in L'Interdit Rouge. That would be Givenchy's L'Interdit Rouge. So this would be Bay Harbor Beauty's version of that scent. And again, they have many selections of scents, but they also have unscented, if you prefer unscented. This is a lightweight, dry body oil. So I'm going to put this, let's see, yeah, very light, you can see. Oh, smells gorgeous, and it just melts into the skin, leaves a beautiful glow. So I am very happy with these products from Bay Harbor Beauty. I have to say, this is a real treat for me. And I do know, because I did have those other smaller sizes before, a little goes a long way. So, you know, they're expensive, but not outrageously expensive, but they're certainly not inexpensive. To be honest, there you go. If you want to treat yourself, buy a few things from Bay Harbor Beauty. Let me tell you a few things about the company. The company is owned by Julie. She's the founder of the company. I don't know exactly when she founded the company, but she has been interested in skincare for over 20 years. And she was always disappointed in the number of chemicals and preservatives that were in traditional skincare and bath care products. So she decided to come up with her own formulation. And she shared those with friends and family. And they liked them so much, they encouraged her to go into business for herself, and she did that. And she's very successful. I'm going to read from my notes here. Bay Harbor Beauty products are 100% cruelty-free, and they are clean products, which refers to the ingredients sourced from nature. So her products do not contain any harmful synthetics or harsh preservatives. They are not, however, gluten-free. And as I mentioned, you can get them in many different scents, or you can get them scent-free. Oscar is right here, of course, annoying me because, of course, he's interested in this now empty box. Come here, you. Want to come and say hi? No, he doesn't. Thank you for joining me today. I'm so excited to try these products. They are really beautiful, luxurious products. I just love the smell, but I do like perfumes, and I understand that a lot of people prefer unscented, but the quality of these products and the texture of them and how they feel on the skin is exquisite. And I hope you will consider buying a few things from Bay Harbor Beauty. By the way, this video is not sponsored at all. And Julie does not even know that I'm talking about her products. She doesn't know who I am from a hole in the wall. I'm a Canadian girl, and I just love these products from Texas. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. And give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Love to everyone. Take care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.